Hi, welcome to Time with Sean. This is just a welcome video to welcome you to my channel. First off, I'll be releasing my videos hopefully every Wednesday. The idea behind this channel is so that I can better my skill in Photoshop. I think I'm okay with Photoshop, but maybe even below okay. So the idea is to better that and maybe get a lot better in Photoshop and make better videos. I also hope that I maybe get other people to learn a little bit more about Photoshop, and also if there's a few tricks or stuff that I learn or use that other people will use them as well and use that as a guide. There are plans to create other type of videos. I do gaming as well, but at the moment I'm focusing this channel on Photoshop. The bigger thing for game stuff, I believe I will do it on another channel, just to keep it clean. So for now I will be focusing more on this channel and just getting this off the ground. I do have a few ideas to keep this entertaining, but I will also explain everything in my first video with Photoshop stuff in it. I hope that the ideas I have and process I have will entertain you and also show you a thing or two. So see you all on Wednesdays.